lesson is going to be started with a word sort. We're going to look at a word sort. So what we want to do is be really good detectives and look at the words on the word sort and try to group them into two groups according to the sum of the letters in the words. What do you think they might have that's the same? What do you think, Leslie?
Munch, each.
Well, let me find them as you say them. Munch. And the next one you said?
Each.
Each.
Inch.
And inch. Okay. Now, why do you think those are going to be in a group?
And chicken.
Oh, and chicken. Okay. Now, why do you think those should be in a group? Let's move these over so we can see.
Because they both have CH.
They all have a CH. Do you see any other words that might have a CH, Jennifer?
Chair.
Chair. Okay.
Cherries.
And cherries. Good. Okay. This is one group. What should we call that group, do you think? What do you think, Alexandra?
The C.
That would be the CH group. Let's call it the CH group for right now, okay? Now let's look at the others. Can we make another group, and why? Why? What do you think, Karen?
SH.
The SH group, the SH group. Can you read these words as I put them up?
Push.
Push, everyone together.
Shooting.
Shooting, that's right. And you remembered the ing from yesterday, didn't you? Very good. What about this one?
Shout.
Shout. You know what? I'm going to put this one down so we can put our title up there. What's this one?
Shell.
Shell. Does it belong with that group?
Yes.
Okay. What about this one?
Fish.
Fish and
Wish.
wish. And what titles should we give this group? What do you think, Jennifer? The SH group. The SH group. Well, let me put the title up there.
The wish and the fish rhyme.
Oh, they do. Fish and wish rhyme, don't they? Very good. Very good. You're being a great detective. Now, what I want to do, you girls were so smart to figure out these two groups. Now, I want you just to look at the CH group, and I want to divide it into two groups. There's something about those CHs in those words that makes them same and different. Can you look just at these words? Look at the CH, and can we divide that group of words into two groups? Look at munch. Where's the CH located? Where do we find the CH? Leslie?
Last.
It comes last. What about chicken? Alexandra?
The CH is first.
The CH is first. Can you help me then divide the CH into two groups like that? What other word would I need to put with chicken? Leslie?
Cherries and chair.
Cherries. Oh, they're there, aren't they? Cherries and chair. Because these three words all have the CH where?
In the first one.
At the beginning, in the initial spot. That's right, at the beginning. And these three words?
At the last.
Okay. Now help me divide the SH words into two groups. Okay. What do you think? Oh, you know what I need to do? Let's put a title up here. Since our CH comes at the end of these words, let's leave this one up. It means other word parts and then the CH at the end. And this one, we'll put the title here. The CH comes at the beginning, and then there are the rest of the letters that make the word. And we need to be able to know the difference in the pronunciation when we see it in written work, and then when we go to write it, to spell it in our own writing. And when we practice the difference between the sound that the CH makes and the sound that the SH makes, it'll help us in our spelling and our reading. Okay, so let's practice the sound that CH makes. It makes the same sound, and it doesn't matter if it comes at the beginning or at the end. And did you girls know something else? Sometimes the CH can come in the middle too, but we don't have any words like that today, but we'll get to those tomorrow, okay? Now let's practice the CH sound. I want you to put your hand out here, and you guys have this sound in your Spanish reading class, so you're very good at this. When you make the CH sound, think about where your tongue is. Think about how your lips are and feel the breath on your hand. Ready? Let's all try it. Do you feel that little puff of air on your hand? Can you say that? Do you feel like a little breath of air? Okay, now think about where your teeth are. Think about where your tongue is and how your lips look. Look at each other. You two look at each other and say it. You two look at each other. Look at your mouth. That's right. Isn't that fun to feel that quick breath on your head? Now let's try the SH. The SH is a little bit more difficult. Our mouth has a little bit different position and the breath in our hand. Let's try it. Like for instance, this word, ship. Let's try it with the SH at the beginning. Let's try to say the SH sound and let's feel the difference in the breath on our hand. Let's see if we can see a difference. Ready? Everybody get your hand up there and we're going to say the word ship. Ready? Ship. What did you feel about your breath? Leslie?
Like air?
Yeah, you can feel air. Now we're going to make the CH sound again. Let's make this sound and feel the air. Okay, now let's switch and let's make the SH sound like ship. Ship. What difference did you feel in the air?
The SH is longer than CH?
That's right. The air that you feel in your hand lasts longer than the CH, isn't it? The breath on your hand for CH is just a quick and for SH it's more shh, and you can feel the breath a longer time on your hand, can't you? That's right. Okay, girls. Now, we're going to practice making those sounds. Actually, you're going to practice listening to these sounds in the words. Let me take these off, and I'll mix them up. And we're going to practice. I'm going to practice saying these words, and you girls want to listen for if I'm saying an SH sound, shh, in the word, or if I'm saying a CH sound in the word. And then what you get to do to show me, I'd like you to use these and hold it so I can see it. If you think the word that I'm saying has an SH sound in it, ship, you're going to hold this sign towards me, okay? If you think the word I say has a CH sound in it, hold this sign towards me, okay? All right, there's yours. And let's try one out. Let's try one out. And I'm not going to let you see my cards. Ready? Okay, so be a really good listener. Tune your ear in. Look at the way my mouth looks. And if you need to say that word after me and feel on your hand the way your breath feels, you do that. Okay? The first word is from math. Ready? Inch. 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 Say it. Say it with me. Inch. What did you feel? A quick puff or a long puff of air? Inch. What was it, Alexander? Quick puff. That's right. You girls are all right. The CH sound. Great. Good for you. Here's the next one. Ready? Listen to this one. Shout. Shout. You can say it. Shout. What do you feel? SH sound. A long breath of air, isn't it? Shout. This one. Chicken. Chicken. I love chicken. It's one of my very favorite. This is our first poem, and this one is called Wish Upon a Star. Which one of those sounds do you hear? An SH sound, and which word is it? Wish. Which word? Wish. And the SH comes at the end, doesn't it? That's right, the SH comes at the end. Now, as we practice reading this poem, we're going to be looking and listening for a lot of words that have an SH sound, okay? This one, we're just going to be listening for SH sound, all right? We want to make our voice sound great. We want to look for the periods, and our voice comes down at the period, doesn't? And up at the question mark, and look, here's an exclamation mark. What's our voice going to need to sound like there?
Different.
Yeah, we're going to want to be sounding very excited, aren't we, as we read that one. Ready? Read with me. Ready? Here we go. Last night I saw a shooting star. That's right. There's a word with an SH. Good. That danced across the sky. I made a wish up on that star as it went dancing by. If Mom buys me a bike today that's bright and shiny new, I'll shout so everyone will hear, hooray! My wish came true. Those were very good voices, very good voices. look, we have the SH in the first line. What is another word that you see? Here's wish. What's another one? Alexandra.
Shout.
Shout. Very good. Has the SH at the beginning. Jennifer.
Shiny.
Shiny. That's right. And in the last line, where's the SH that you see again, Leslie? Wish. That's right. Now let's, girls, let's practice again. Let's think about how our mouth is going to form the SH sound. So when other people listen to us, they'll be able to tell the difference between the SH sound and the CH sound. Ready? Let's start again.